Turning 5G on or off on the Galaxy S25 allows you to optimize network performance, battery life, and connectivity based on your usage and coverage area. This is how it's done. To get started, tap on the home button to return to the home screen. From there, swipe down from the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and select connections. Then tap on mobile networks. Next, choose network mode to access your available network options. If you want to turn on 5G, select 5G, LTE, 3G, 2G, Auto Connect. This ensures your device connects to the fastest available network. If you prefer to disable 5G, choose the second option in the list, which sets 4G as the maximum connection, falling back to 3G or 2G if necessary. That's all it takes to switch 5G on or off on your Galaxy S25. Once you're done, tap the home button to return to the home screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.